Welcome, everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to transform your study into a functional and stylish workspace. We'll be using a variety of components to create a harmonious design that fosters productivity and creativity. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll need the essentials: a desk and a comfortable chair. These form the foundation of your study. Choose designs that match your style and ensure ergonomic comfort. Now, let's focus on organization. Bookshelves and file cabinets are indispensable for keeping your books and documents in order. Combine them with a sleek filing system to keep everything tidy. Ambient lighting is key for productive studying. Add a stylish desk lamp that complements your desk and provides ample illumination. Personalization is essential for a motivating workspace. Shelving units are perfect for displaying your achievements and favorite decor pieces. Add a bulletin board for notes and reminders. Ensure comfort and privacy with curtains/blinds that match your overall design. Lay down a cozy rug for added warmth and acoustics. Keep track of time with a stylish wall clock. It's both functional and decorative. Hide away cable clutter with effective cable management solutions. This keeps your workspace neat and safe. Let's talk about aesthetics. Spruce up your study with beautiful artwork/decor that reflects your personality. Every piece tells a story. For better efficiency, use a desktop organizer to arrange your stationery and office supplies neatly. Don't forget the basics: a waste basket/recycling bin for easy disposal of trash and recyclables. Modernize your study with a reliable computer and monitor setup. Keep them powered with convenient power strips. Stay organized with practical storage boxes that help you declutter your workspace. Finally, express your style with unique desk accessories and a touch of greenery using elegant planters. Congratulations! You've now transformed your study into a functional and inspiring workspace using these interior design ideas. Remember, a well-designed study not only boosts productivity but also makes studying a pleasure. Thanks for watching, and happy studying!